being poured into a glass, with a caption reading, "Blend your way to better health, narrator." Imagine starting your day with a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie that fuels your body and leaves you feeling energized and ready to take on the world. Well, with the Vitamix E310 Blender, you can make that dream a reality. Hi there, I'm Name, and today I'm going to introduce you to the powerhouse blender that will revolutionize your kitchen and your health. Blender, spinning slowly on a countertop, looking sleek and modern, narrator. The Vitamix E310 is not just any blender, it's a professional-grade blending machine that is designed to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're a health-conscious individual looking to up your smoothie game or a home cook who wants to take their culinary creations to the next level, this blender is for you. Into the blender while her kids eagerly anticipate their morning smoothies, narrator. One of the main benefits of the Vitamix E310 is its powerful motor, which can blend even the toughest ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and leafy greens into a silky smooth consistency in just seconds. This means you can say goodbye to lumpy smoothies and hello to perfectly blended drinks every time. Protein powder and almond milk to the blender before hitting the power button, narrator. In addition to its power, the Vitamix E310 also features a 48-ounce container, perfect for blending up large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. This means you can prepare meals for the whole family or meal prep for the week ahead with ease. A creamy butternut squash soup, with the caption reading endless culinary possibilities. Narrator. But the Vitamix E310 isn't just for smoothies, it's a versatile kitchen tool that can be used in a variety of scenarios. From making silky smooth sauces and soups to whipping up homemade nut butters and even grinding your own flour, the possibilities are truly endless with this blender. Dinner together, using the blender to create a delicious sauce for their meal, narrator. And the best part? The Vitamix E310 is incredibly easy to use. With its intuitive controls and simple design, you can start blending like a pro from day one. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe components, making this blender a truly hassle-free kitchen companion. Their experience with the Vitamix E310, raving about its performance and durability, narrator. But don't just take my word for it. Countless customers have praised the Vitamix E310 for its exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use. From busy moms to fitness enthusiasts to professional chefs, this blender has earned a loyal following for its unmatched quality and reliability. Breakfast together, each member holding a glass of freshly blended smoothie, narrator. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to mediocre blenders and hello to the Vitamix E310 Blender. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have experienced the transformative power of this incredible machine. Your health and happiness deserve the best. Choose Vitamix. Reading upgrade your blender today, narrator. Click the link below to order your very own Vitamix E310 Blender and start blending your way to a healthier, happier you. Your taste buds will thank you.